What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy Ape Crypto, and today I'll be covering two CNFT projects that have an upcoming mint and that I'm personally very bullish on. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to not miss a single video. And also follow me on Twitter to not miss a single thing. So the first project is OG Bears, but before we get into this, I'd just like to disclose that I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice, so be wary of that. So, OG Bears. What is this project and why am I bullish on it? This is a metaverse project on Cardano and it looks absolutely fantastic. So you have these NFTs themselves, 3D NFTs, which as you can see on the screen, look fantastic. Very well done, very clean, amazing work. And then you have the metaverse previews. So as you can see, this looks absolutely fantastic and it is very well done and it shows the insane ability of the team. It just looks so crisp and it really looks like it could be a successful game. It actually gives me a GTA 5 kind of vibe, which is very cool. And what's awesome about this metaverse as well, there'll be over 50 play to earn mini games, and here's an example of one on the screen in chess. Any player can go into the arcade game or shop and pay Salmon, which will be their in-game currency for the OG Bears metaverse, and play a game of chess against an adaptive AI and earn 2 to 3x the reward if they win. So this is an example of one mini game, and they have over 50 play to earn mini games in the metaverse where you can actually earn an in-game currency which you can switch into ADA, which then you can switch into fiat. I wouldn't recommend switching into fiat, but you can switch it into ADA. So in my mind, that's pretty damn cool, and I personally cannot wait to get in on this, and I can really see this being a success judging by the previews. Yes, we're still early days and they don't have a working product yet, but everything looks very promising. OG Bears already have a collection of 2,200 NFTs out already with a floor price of 77 ADA, which is very affordable, and especially considering the price rose very fast and went back down to 77. It was around 200 the last time I checked when it was popping off. As per the FAQ section in their Discord, that was the wave 1 mint, hence why there's OG Bears on the market, and the remaining OG Bears in 5,803 bears are going to be minted most likely on February 3rd and 4th. 3rd for whitelist holders, and then 4th will be the public sale. The mint price will be 45 ADA for regular. The mint price will be 45 ADA for the public and 30 for the whitelist, which I believe is very reasonably priced given the quality of this project so far. And this is a mint that I'm really looking forward to. In terms of where I see the price heading, I believe it could head down a little bit given that the supply is being pretty much tripled. So we could have a short-term dip and it can be a bit closer to the mint price, but given all that's happening with the metaverse development and all the play-to-earn games within this Animalverse, I do believe this is something that you do hold and they will gain value once utility is finally here. I'll leave the white paper in the description for you to read for yourself. In this video, I don't have enough time to fully cover it, but I've quickly read through this and I am very impressed. I've read through this actually a couple times and I'm definitely bullish on this for the long term, even if we see some short-term hurdles, but that's not a guarantee. That's just why I think with the increase of supply. But I really do think OG Bears can be a game changer and can be a very successful CNFT project if delivered well. Judging off what we've seen so far, I'm very confident in this, but nothing is a guarantee, of course. If you like what you see and you want to mint OG Bears, I'll leave a link to their Twitter, their Discord, their website, and their white paper, all in the description so you can check it out yourself. The second project that I'd like to talk about today is ADA Ninjas. This is a project that I've covered before in their Series 1 mint, and now they're doing a Season 2 on February 4th of 2022. This is a community-driven NFT and is anime themed, and like the first season, I can see this doing very well. Recently, like many CNFT projects, we've seen a huge jump in the floor price, and it went all the way up to 200 ADA, and now it has gone back down to 105, which is still well above the mint price. So that is always good. This pump actually coincided with their Ninja Scroll, aka their white paper, which they revealed a lot about their future plans and what they're going to do in the short term and the long term for the Ada Ninjas ecosystem. So they talk about voting rights with each different Ada Ninjas clan characters. They talk about exclusive access to collaborations, collections, events and airdrops, as well as an NFT link to physical merchandise, which is awesome. And they talk about the NFT specific utility from each clan. They talk about commercial rights, in which what you're allowed to do with your NFT. They talk about a future DAO, but what really excites me is their future game in clan battles, which would be a roguelike 2D pixel multiplayer game where Ada Ninja NFT holders get to battle out in 1v1 games against other Ada Ninja holders. It will be a game with a leaderboard with weekly rewards handed out to the most active and top performers. It's a player versus player game that allows you to battle your opponent, and the more you win, the more you earn. And this is set to launch in Q1 of 2022, which is this quarter, so stay tuned for that. And of course, if you've been following this project for a while, they also have their comic and anime series coming as well. So, plenty of utility for these NFTs, and it's something I'm very excited for, and I do believe this mint will do well. I think some concerns people might have is the supply. So, each season has 8,888 NFTs, which is quite a lot, and that needs a high demand for the floor to be sustainable. And I do agree with that, but they will be doing a burn, and this isn't just a random burn, it aligns with the story, and it's got to do with the clans. And as well, each season has a different type of utility, which is awesome as well. And as well as all the other things I spoke about, I believe they will hold their value. And I definitely believe if you minted season 1, minting season 2 is a smart option. They've laid out quite extensive plans, as well as having awesome art, an already established community, and a trusted team, so I can really see this project doing well. And I believe Ada Ninjas will continue to kill it, and I'm very interested in their mint on February 4th. If you are as well, I'll leave a link to their Twitter, their Discord, their website, and their white paper, so you can read everything for yourself and make up your own mind. So there we have it. OG Bears and Ada Ninjas, 2 projects that are minting in early February, which are very soon, so make sure you do your own research and let me know. Will you be minting these projects? If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and hopefully you found it valuable. If you did, make sure you follow me on Twitter at AbeCryptoYT, as well as following my own project, Nerds and Virgins. And if you want to keep up with more CNFT content, I appreciate it if you could subscribe to this channel. And if you want to help me out, like this video as well to help get this out as far as possible. I'm Abe Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.